We're back. We are back. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Sorry about my voice. I'm still a little bit ill, but I'm okay. All right. New day, new session. Today, I think we're going to have some news. FOMC meeting minutes. All right. In the PM session. All right. And let's see what's going on with NASDAQ. You see, yesterday, this is the 1 hour chart. Yesterday, in the New York session, it was pretty much barcoding out. Nissim, hey, welcome, good morning. It was pretty much barcoding and nothing really happened. So that's interesting. Hold on, I have to use this tissue. Excuse me. So, the direction wasn't really clear, but now, well, it's not clear now as well, but what do we have here? We have some Asia lows, so let's outline the Asia lows first, okay? We like to do that in London. So sell side liquidity as Asia low here. All right. And we technically made a high, so this would be the Asia low. It's not perfect, but this is the, this is the Asia high here. Feels like it could go down. I'm actually eager to jump into to visit these places down there. How far is it? I'm just wondering. Oops, sorry. Oh, come on. How far could we go? Could we jump in with some micros maybe? I guess we could. I might jump in to a short. I don't know. Still thinking. I was watching this before the stream start. If we could be having a possible displacement to the downside, because there are so many good places to go here. Yeah, I entered a short. My typical probe trade. All right. I like to target, of course, the 800s if it goes down, or maybe even lower. All right. So jumped into this. Let's see what happens. So don't worry, guys. I was already watching this area. Nothing to fear, you know. Nothing to fear. How's everybody doing? Oh, you guys don't see the balance. I'm gonna put one balance here. Where is it? Here it is. No, it's not good. Okay, now it's better. All right. Let's see. McLovin, hey, long time. Absolutely. Naomi, good morning. How you guys doing? Good to see you guys. What's happening? So I entered to a short, but I was eyeballing with this before the stream started, that if this is a sell model, we might see taking out some levels down there, and that's it. Obviously, if we trade above the 840s, then this is something else. So that's it. Vic, hey there. Good morning. Good to see you, Vic. Unfortunately, this trade went against me immediately, as it should. Otherwise, nothing special. We have no news in the London session, so I was really hoping that we could reach down for some liquidity down there. Gold also going down. I was also thinking on a gold trade, but I don't know. Maybe just now. 25.49. Could it go? Yeah, it could. It could. Mm, 49. Okay. Maybe it will. Who knows? Took a short on gold too. Super aggressive. Marco, good morning. What's happening, Marco? And Martin is here. Hey, looks like a nice double top up there. Let's check it. Let's check on it. Double top, double top. Depending on which time frame are we looking. This is the mini, by the way. Let's see the micro. I don't see yet a double top, but I might be wrong. I might be wrong here. Not yet. Jung is here. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. All right, I took a short on gold too. You guys don't see it, right? No, what am I doing? All right, this is my gold trade. Not that it matters too much. But the NQ trade I took, it doesn't look too good, to be honest. Paul, hey there, good morning. Just picked up 2 Bulenox. Hey, thank you so much for the support. And everybody, I'm very grateful if any one of you guys are taking my code and links. Appreciate it very much. Thank you so much. Blues Queen, hey, good morning. Good to see you. Oh yeah, so Bulenox is back to 90%. Total out of the blue, you know. Total surprise, but back to 90%. So obviously the cheapest evaluation account upfront cost is with Bulenox right now. Just saying. Murtada, hey, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. All right, so far my gold trade is looking okay. I think I should put it to break even or something. I don't know. Or maybe I should just... All right, I took off... Hold on. All right. It's at break even, I think. All right. Yeah, it's at break even. I took a partial. But my NQ trade, doesn't look good. To be honest, I'm thinking to close this NQ short. Don't like it. Don't like it. Yes, yes. Lynn, hey there. Lynn, good morning. So SK, sorry, if, they have activation fee for the 50K account. It's $148. It's $1 cheaper than TopStep, I always say. So $148 lifetime. Subham, hey there. I had an awesome gold trade last night. Made 3K. Ho, congratulations, Lynn. What's happening, Peter? Good to see you, man. What's going on? That is awesome profits. And while you were sleeping. That's how you make it. That's how you do it. So yeah, I took this trade on gold. Hopefully can go lower. I don't know. Should be taking out that Asia low. If not, sorry, but I just got the flu or something. I don't know. I'm a little bit sick. Should be all right. And yeah, this trade is at break even now. All right. And I'm in a short on NQ. I'm sorry about the nose noise. I'm drinking a lot of tea, by the way. A lot of tea. Because my throat is hurting too. You guys, it's better that you don't see it, but I have tissues all over my desk. All right, so seems like NQ stuck here. You're sick as well? Well, I know what it is on my end. I was last week on the vacation. I was sleeping right under the AC unit in the hotel room, and it was so hot outside that we turned on the AC for the night. And I think that's the thing that got me. It was super hot. It's still hot outside, so I hope the weather will, change a little bit, because it's just super hot in the past few days. All right, still sitting in this one. I'm hoping that we will take that Asia low, but if not, that's fine too. There are some good targets down there. Higher lows all over the place. There was some, well, obviously if it trades above the 840, then this is not the thing I was looking for. Although it could be an optimal trade entry, I'm not gonna take it again. I mean, not the way like this. Gold could be taking me out break even the rest of the position. So, what do you guys think? Because, you know, yesterday's price action, look at this, pretty much we narrowed down. Let's look at the daily chart, you know. Just check it, how it looks like from yesterday. A little bit of a indecision, but overall closed bearish. I think we're gonna go bullish today. By the end of the day, I was just hoping that we will take out the Asia low, but it seems like we're not going to. So 932 is yesterday high. We could be going there. Forgot to ask you yesterday, how is the FTT account progressing? I can show you guys my FTT. I have 2 accounts currently. This is a blown MyFundedFutures account, so I just want to hide my personal details. Not that I don't trust you guys, but I just don't want everybody to see my address and everything. So I have currently 225k fast track trading accounts. So one only has $135 and the other one has only nothing. It's basically at the starting point. I'm already in the works of purchasing more 25k accounts. So yeah, currently I have 3 funded accounts with Apex. And I have 7 funded accounts. Oh, somebody just subscribed. Judith BK, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. So, I have currently 1, 2, 3 active Bulenox accounts. I have 1 that I passed. And I have 3 more. I can actually show you guys because I know many of you guys are asking the questions, how does it look like? So I have a few blown accounts with Bulenox, but I'm going to keep them for next month to rebill. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. All right, so I have 3 active funded accounts with Bulenox, and these ones are pending because, you know, as long as you're not pushing these funded accounts above the safety threshold, these are going to be in dormant, so you can have up to 10 or 11 funded accounts. So currently I have 6 funded accounts, plus, where is it? Plus 1 that I have passed, so that's 7 funded accounts with Bulenox, 2 funded accounts with fast track trading. I blow my take profit trader evaluation account, unfortunately, so you don't see it here. I had one, I'm going to purchase another one. These MyFundedFutures accounts are blown. I'm waiting for them to rebuild. These first 2 are actually very old. I cannot get them out of here. So I just can't delete them. No way, I can't get them out from Rhythmic, whatever. Currently I'm working on this one. It's and I have 1 evaluation that I'm working on with Apex. This one right here. And Apex, I have an account with $847 funded account. I have another one, $1,789. I have another one, $905. These funded accounts with Bulenox, this one has 1,800 almost on it. This one has only 500. This one has only 700. So there's quite a way to go for me to get to those payouts. The fastest one should be this one, should be this Apex account. It only needs like almost $800 to get the payout. So we'll see. So these are my accounts currently. I want to be transparent with you guys. My Take Profit Trader account got blown. So I'm gonna purchase a new one. One of my goals is to have definitely a funded Take Profit Trader account or more, because the daily payouts are the best with Take Profit Trader. Anyway, good morning, Abs. Apex money hit your account. Let's go. Apex pays. And also denies. I know. Congratulations, Abs. Naomi likes the shorts. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen now. It's a little bit, I'm a little bit skeptical. I got taken out break even from the gold trade. Farah, good morning. Not on any idea if Bulenox can be traded in South Africa, or where can I find info? There is no list on the restricted countries in detail at Bulenox. Now, I know some people were in the chat from like countries that are on a ban list, for example, at MyFundedFutures. For example, someone from maybe from Pakistan, or I don't know, I'm not sure. So they were able to trade with Bulenox. But you know, the best is if you write a support question, or just send them an email and they're gonna let you know, because to be honest, I don't know. South Africa should be okay, in my opinion. Bulenox is so far very lenient about these things. So if I were you, Nathan, I would send them an email, definitely, because I cannot answer this 100%. Yeah, congrats, Abs. Is that from this payout? August 15th. Request made on August 1st. Whoa, it took a while. It took a while. Abs, congratulations for your patience there. Thank you, Marco. What's up, Donovan? What's up? Sahid is here. Welcome. No TopStep account currently. I don't have. I had one TopStep XFA account and I blew it. And I blew the account, and there's not much to say about that. And if you guys are wondering when I blow the account, it was a few days ago. I never traded that account. This year, that account has almost never been traded. I just traded the minimum trading days on that XFA account. So currently, that TopStep account is blown. But I'm going to be looking into some new accounts. Hey Tom, did you get any of the fast track? Yeah, I have 2 fast track accounts. And by the way, the 49% off is still valid until Friday with the code FTT_wedding, because the CEO is having a wedding and he decided to give a 49% discount, it seems like. So if you would like to get instant funded accounts, they accept Bitcoin or most like 3 or 4 crypto payments and bank wire transfer for now. I paid for mine with Bitcoin last time, and the Bitcoin was in my wallet already. So I sent the Bitcoin and the account was active in 40 minutes, about 40 minutes, a little bit more than half hour. So that's how long it took for the account to be activated. And it was in the London session, guys. So it was not even in the New York session. So in the London session, I purchased an account with Bitcoin, and it was active in 40 minutes. You're welcome, Nathan. Peter, hi Tom. I think you can get funded and trade in the... But you cannot get... Oh, you cannot get a live account. Yeah, maybe you can get a simulated funded account, but can't get a live, maybe. Thank you, Marco. Thank you. So currently I have a few funded accounts. I think it's more than enough to go with for now. Obviously, I'm aiming to have whatever you guys think or say. I know many people don't like Apex. I respect your opinion about that. I'm still looking to build more Apex accounts because I don't think they're gonna go down anytime soon. So I'm trying to build more Apex accounts, but I'm definitely going to push it with Take Profit Trader. Although I blew up my recent test account, so I'm gonna do another one. Actually, I totally forgot the daily loss limit, to be honest, guys. I was trading all over the place. I was scalping, and I entered with a mini. It was off stream anyway, and I just blew the daily limit, and I forgot. Oh man, how stupid was I? Anyway, I just need to create a Bitcoin account and add money to Bitcoin and transfer. Yeah, so you can do that. You can, yeah, that's all. You need to create a Bitcoin account somewhere. I already have a registration with some places like Binance and Coinbase and others. So earlier, maybe last week or before that, I purchased a little bit of Bitcoin. Not because I want to hold Bitcoin, but I wanted to purchase accounts. So, but Naomi was the one who told me that there's a 49% discount. I was waiting, I don't know for what, but she told me there's a 49% discount. I was like, what? So I purchased a new 25k account with Bitcoin. It was up and ready quite fast. I add the funds to my Bitcoin first and then go through the checkout process. Yeah, that's it. So as long as the strategy that is not gambling, only issue with Apex, I have the long wait. Yeah, the long wait is frustrating. They should do something about it. They said they will, but you know, it might take another year or who knows. Gold is ripping. Hey, Gabor Dehan üdvözöllek. Fellow Hungarian trader from Florida. Hey, rég nem láttalak. Long time no see. Yeah. Come on, NQ. Get down there. Yeah, I'm still in this short. I'm still holding it. I want to see it go down to the 800s. Obviously, I want to see it go down to take out the Asia low, but 800 would be nice for me as well. Sly Fox, hey, what's the coupon code? The best coupon code right now to get the 49% is FTT_wedding. If you scroll in the chat, I put it in the Streamlabs, it's spamming all over the place, or in the description you will find it. FTT_wedding, and it's gonna give you a 49% discount. I put it to Streamlabs for the timer chat, and you can find it there. If any one of you guys would like to give some credit to the channel, you can click on my link in the description or in the chat for fast track trading. Before you purchase an account, it gives some extra credit to the channel. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Well, my throat is a little bit better, Rob. Thanks for asking. But now it's not my throat. It's my nose, you know. I'm having these tissues all over my desk. Guys, I have to clean my desk. But yeah. But I'm drinking a lot of tea. They're working. My company had a few larger jobs. Oh, all right. Let's go, Gabor. You're welcome, Sly Fox. Is there a place I can chat with you privately just so you can backtest the strategy I've been doing? Yeah, send me an email and I will pick you up. Let me I will pick you up to Discord. Let me just go to the chat because it's not even open. Just shoot me an email and after the stream I will there you go. We will make contact, you know. All right. Okay. Look at that. We might go. Who knows? So, although I have some funded accounts, my biggest goal still is to get funded accounts with MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. I don't know why the magic is different with those prop firms, but I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna be patient, more patient with it, and do my best. Does FTT have activation fee? No, Lynn, no activation fee. You pay the instant funded account and that's it, you're done. You are done. It's so good and so hard to pass. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, once you have the funded account, you know, the goal is to reach that threshold. For example, at 50K, the 50K account, you have to reach like, I think $2,000. And whatever amount you make above that $2,000, you can take out every day, daily payout. And if you request a payout, it's going to be on your account the same day. It's going to be immediately deducted from your account and it's going to be processed immediately, no questions asked. Basically, that's what they're doing. That's their motto, the fastest and most simple payout system in the prop firm industry. So that's why I really want to build up account with them, because once I would get 1 or 2 funded accounts above the safety threshold, it would be like an ATM machine. So I would just have to tone it down and trade with micros, whatever. And once I reach $250, 250, because if you ask a payout below $250, there's a penalty. So the penalty is $50. So if you ask for $200 from your profits, you're gonna get $150. That's the penalty. But if you ask anything above $250, it's free. No special fees or anything. All right. So once I reach $250 every time on the Take Profit Trader account, I just boom, click on it, withdraw anytime. So that would be great. Can't pay for FTT account. Let's go, Naomi. I really don't like those monthly recurring wheels. Yeah, so that's the good thing in fast track trading. I hope, I mean, there is clearly, I know some people don't really, I mean, guys, fast track trading is a brand new company. They don't have credit card payments yet. There are some red flags-ish. I don't know. But there is clearly a huge demand for the instant funded accounts. That's one thing. And the second thing is that they're paying out a lot of people. Now, not just YouTubers, but other people as well. I read it on the Discord, on the chat. I got screenshots, emails that they are paying out people. So, and not just a few $100s, thousands of dollars they are paying out. So I think there is a huge demand for instant funded accounts, and I really hope that they will succeed, because obviously, you know, especially for those people who don't want to waste time in the evaluation phase or not so new in trading. So if you're new in trading, obviously don't go with fast track trading. Don't go with instant funded accounts if you're fairly new in trading. Go with evaluation accounts, obviously. But if you have some experience and you have the confidence in yourself, then why not? George Mikhail, good morning. Aaron, Tom, you have to do more to take 250. They charge 20%? 20%? That's 50. But last time I checked, the threshold was, I mean, above the safety threshold. So yes, I have to do more than 250. I have to get above the safety threshold, and I have to, if I take anything out above the safety threshold, it has to be above $250. That's the thing. FTT has to succeed. Apex will be dead. Yeah, I mean, that's why I said there's a huge demand for instant funded accounts. Huge, huge demand. I'm gonna lower my risk like this. Take profit split. Oh, 80-20. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I know. Okay, I totally forgot, Aaron. Totally forgot. Yes, I totally forgot. 80-20. That could change, but yeah, I totally forgot 80-20 profit split. Yes. Yes. Ebs, I have your email here. I'm just reading it on my phone. I'm gonna connect with you, all right? Yeah, I have it here. I'm just reading it on my phone. I'm gonna go for it after the stream, all right? Has your Apex payout been wired? Yes, George. I got approved on the 14th of August, and the money was on my account on the, let me check. The money was on my account on Friday, or last Friday or Thursday. I don't even remember. I can check it though. I can check it. I can check it. When the money was on my account, I have to log into my internet bank. Yeah, it was on the 16th of Friday. Friday 16th. I got approved on the 14th. The money was on my account on Friday 16th. Well, I think maybe wait for today, George. I don't know. Got approved last week. They said the bank wire. They're sending the bank transfers from the 15th to the 20th, but you have to count on possible additional processing time depending on your bank. So, for example, if they sent it yesterday, there might be an additional 24 hours or 48 hours, who knows, whatever. So maybe wait today, just today. And if nothing happens, then, I mean, today is Wednesday. So, you just got it. Hey. Let's go. Let's go, George. Congratulations. Right at this second, while he was asking, the money just hit his account. Apex is watching the stream. All right. I'm happy. Super happy. Let's go. Let's go. Look at gold. Gold is weird. Too many more payout. Yeah. Hopefully everybody gets more and more payouts. That's the goal. Congratulations. Congratulations. I have another one here, different account. Yeah, this one. Guys, I have to get some tea. I have to get some tea because I'm out of tea. You know. I'm gonna be right back. We're back with the tea. You know, guys, what I'm drinking? I'm drinking silver colloid. What's it called? Silver colloid. Yeah, that's what I'm drinking. I mean, twice a day. Good morning, Jose. Having great success with 15-second time frame. Nice. Let's go, Jose. As I said, the only thing that matters is what makes you money. If it makes you profits, that's all that matters. Oh, so good. I like the 1 minute, but I'm looking at the 5 and the 15 minute too. My highest time frame, if I'm intraday, I mean day trading, which I do 99% of the time, is the 1 hour. Although I check on the daily and everything, but I don't want to overcomplicate it. My highest time frame is the 1 hour, but I'm looking closely at the 5 and the 15 minute. So those are the ones that I'm reacting to. Currently, I'm watching the 800 level. And I'm looking for Asia lows. Obviously, if it turns around, I'm just going to be looking for something else. You know. Yeah, the 1 hour actually gives a very good insight of what to do. But look at the 1 hour now. I mean, let me get all the stuff out of here. I mean, since yesterday, we are basically inside this range. So we need to break out from here sooner or later. And if you zoom out this, if you see this 1 hour candle from yesterday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it has no wick down there. It has the Asia low, good targets. There's a swing low here. Could be targeting the 800. I'm hoping that we will break those levels. That's why I'm short. I mean, that's not why I'm short, but that's one of the reasons. And but you know, basically we are inside this range. So, but if market wants to take liquidity inside the range, then it would be a very good target down there. So let's get back to 5 minute. Then this area down there, if you look to the left on the 5 minute, good area, good area. Sarah, hey, good morning. What's going on? Oh no. Oh, I thought I'm out of paper tissues. All right. Okay. By the way, guys, if you haven't done it already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have some giveaways this week as well, so don't miss it. Maybe on Thursday or Friday. And push the like, smash the like, is free to do, and let's push this stream to the stratosphere. Thank you. I'm getting nervous to explain to you whenever that may happen. Never really shared anything trading related threats. And that's no, you don't have to be nervous, Abs. There's nothing wrong with that. obviously, if that strategy is working for you, that's the most important, you know. If you have a strategy that you like and it works for you, that's the only thing that matters. Komodo, hey, good morning. It's already Wednesday. Oh yeah, it is. It is. Getting closer to 3,000 subscribers. Let's go. Let's go. Nobody know. Well, same with me. Nobody really knows anything about trading in my IRL life, so per se. None of my friends or relatives or nobody really. I don't have too many friends. That's sad, I know. I'm a little bit of an introvert personality anyways. I don't really like to socialize. I mean, no, that's not true. I like to socialize. I just don't like the crowds, maybe. I don't know. Interesting. Oh, yeah, we have. Gabor. Hey, now. Yeah, I have. I have. Asia 60 points range. Hope UK Open shakes every. Yeah, we have the London Open real soon. I'm drinking tea. I'm drinking a lot of tea because my throat is a little bit better, but now I'm just, you know, blowing my nose all over the place. I have so many paper tissues on my desk. You guys would just run away from the stream if you would see what's happening. It's all over. And it's because of the AC, I think, from last week. Good morning, Zach. I see 70k subs by end of next year. Oh, thank you. Well, let's hope so. We're pushing it, guys. We're pushing it. Does FTT have scheduled payout request dates? Not that I know of. I think you just have to hit the 10 days, but I haven't really checked, to be honest. I did Holy Grail. I took honey. This one has honey as well in it, and squeezed some lemons. It was a little bit weird, but yeah, I liked it. Sorry, I'm gonna mute my microphone because. Komodo is asking, Tom, isn't that enough thick? No, I'm greedy. All right, I'm moving. Stop the break even. All right, just because Komodo is asking, I took off one. All right, I took off 1,801. I'm gonna leave the rest here. All right, I took one off. Rest is break even. Why not? You know. You know me, guys. I'm a turtle trader. Super slow. Yeah, possible reversal here. Have you tried them out? I know that Mid was saying that him and others he knows have received payouts. Yes, George, I have 2 funded accounts with Fast Track Trading currently, but I'm buying more. To be honest, I'm buying more. Currently, I have two 25Ks, but I want to buy more. So here they are. 25K only has $135. And this one haven't even traded on it yet. Currently I have 3 funded accounts with Apex. I have 3 active funded accounts with Bulenox and 3 more that are in dormant and 1 that is passed, so that makes it 7. 2 funded accounts with Fast Track Trading. I blew my MyFundedFutures account, so currently I have only 1 evaluation with them. And I blew my TopStep account a few days ago. So not looking that good. But the fastest payout would be now on this funded account with Apex. $1,789. Yeah, I mean, not fastest, but this is the closest one. This one has only 800, 900. This Bulenox funded account has 1,800 on it. This one has 500. So not too much. It's still a long way to go, guys. Still a long way to go. And Take Profit Trader, I had a test account with them, but I blew it. So I need to buy more Take Profit Trader accounts as well. I wasn't really trading on my TopStep account, to be honest. But that's a different story. See ya, Abs. Thanks for being here. See you later. FTT has 49% discount. FTT_wedding. I think that's the code. It's in the chat and in the description. If you guys want to purchase instant funded accounts, and if you would like to give some credit to the stream, please click on my link in the description or in the chat before you go to the checkout page and use the code FTT_wedding. It's going to give you 49% discount. Not just 20, I'm going to add 50Ks as well. 50Ks, but I'm going to add 2 more 50Ks at least. My plan with the 25Ks, to be honest, as soon as I reach the payout level, I'm going to close the account. That's the first plan. That's step 1. As soon as I reach the payout, which is 1,250, I think, I don't even know, I'm going to request all of the profits, everything. I'm going to close the account. That's it. And I'm going to request the money and going to continue to trade with the 50Ks. But that's only how I do. I mean, if you guys like the bigger accounts, then you should go with that. Yeah, there's a sale. Yes, every single account, I think. Every account. So it's up until Friday, so make sure to secure your purchase until Friday. That's how long the 49% is lasting. Until Friday, Lynn. Until Friday. 23rd of Friday. David, good morning. And again, if you would like to support, just click on my link when you register or purchase, or before you register for the account. What's happening, David? Any disadvantage? Well, you know, Jose, it's basically only mathematics, nothing else. Obviously, with the bigger accounts, you need to reach a little bit more, but nothing else, because there's no activation fee or anything else, you know, included. So no other disadvantage. Alti, good morning. You're good. You can request all profits. Yes, at least that's what I've been told. Methodical Man requested everything. He closed down his accounts, I think. I'm not sure if he's here to confirm it, but that is exactly what I'm going to do. As soon as I reach the payout threshold, I'm going to request everything. I don't even care how much is that. I'm going to request everything. If it's just $1,000, I don't care. I'm going to request it and close the account and keep on trading with the other accounts. Apex dropped the ball on discounts. Well, not currently, but they did. I mean, if you're referring to the opposite way, yes, they did. Yes. No, I don't have any trader funding account. I wanted to, but to be honest, currently I'm trading with all these prop firms, and I think trading with 5 prop firms is, for me currently, is okay, is enough. But yeah, I heard about them. I also heard about Trade Day, Blue Sky. Actually, I did register with them for some discounts. It's in the description, but I'm not actively trading with them. My main goal is to build up the Take Profit Trader account as soon as I can, and the MyFundedFutures account as soon as I can, because I'm already way ahead with Bulenox and Apex. And of course, fast track trading was simple because I just purchased the account. So my goal right now is with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. What is this thing? No, you don't have to close it. You don't have to. If you request everything and if you leave no threshold, then obviously you have to close it. But if you leave, it's not a rule, but obviously you cannot trade anymore because there is no threshold. So there is no other thing that's left. I mean, if you leave some cushion on the account, obviously you can continue. You don't. It's not a rule. You don't have to. Yeah, Naomi. So you don't have to. But the good thing is that you can request everything, and you know, just for risk management wise, I might gonna do that with 2 accounts, but the other 2, which I'm purchasing now, are gonna be staying and gonna be traded onwards, forward. But yeah, look at this. We're going back. We are below the VWAP. So let's see if it's going to hold as resistance or not. Gonna be interesting. Why not TopStep? I have no problem. TopStep is great. I'm gonna purchase new accounts with TopStep too. Definitely, I will. I am definitely going to go with TopStep too. So I have another reason, which I don't really want to talk about now with TopStep. It's not TopStep's fault or issue. It has to do something for my company formation, because for tax purposes. Oh, FL Hash, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Oh, your multi-account. So it has to do something that I have established a small company formation here in Hungary for tax purposes, and I'm redoing some registrations. Let's just say that for now. So I'm re-registering a few places. TopStep eventually is not going to be able to change my registration from a private person to a company. So I have to redo some stuff. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into details, but I'm gonna trade with TopStep in the future too. So it's obvious. But I have to change some stuff because of tax purposes. The tax man is always there. And by the way, prop firms are come and go. They're coming and going all the time. So make sure not to put all your eggs in one basket. I always say that. Don't put everything on one horse. Make sure to diversify between the prop firms. All right, market is about to open in 2, 1. London is open. London is open. How much is the tax in my country? I wish it was 21%. As a private person, it's between 35 and 40%, depending on some details, but 35 to 41%, actually 40 or 41% as a private person, the tax you have to pay after, it can be YouTube income, it can be an affiliate income or prop firm income, whatever. Yeah. As a private person, you have to pay 40% tax here in my country. As a small company formation, which I want to do, and I'm already doing it, so it's already done. As a small company, I can manage with 20 to 25% tax. As a small company. Yeah. Guys, I can get some details for next stream if you guys don't believe me. 40% tax here as a private person from this online income. Thank you, George. Good morning, Isham. You're going to declare all? No way. You hide it. Well, I don't want to say too many things here on YouTube because in my country it's I'm not saying anything because, you know, in my country, everybody is watching. The taxman is watching, the government is watching, everyone is watching, but there are some things that you can do to pay less tax. Obviously, only official ways and legal ways. But yeah, I'm declaring. I have to declare it because obviously these incomes are coming to a bank account, so I cannot hide it in any way. TP hit, yeah. Come on, Victor wants to shave you. Yeah, they really want everybody to pay as much as you can. I mean, new taxes are coming out almost every single month. Now we have to go for, anyway, I'm not going to go into politics, but there's new tax laws coming every single few months. Private things. Good morning, Tamimi. First thing about tax is don't talk about tax. Oh yes, exactly. First rule about tax, don't talk about tax. But I had to form a small company because as a private person it's 40%. I don't want to pay 40%. It's too much. Yeah, I'm not saying anything, Isham. In Germany also, there you go. Erkan can say that, confirm it. In Germany also above 40% tax, yes. But that means to pay for it. Yes, I might have to pay for professional data. Yes, it seems like it. Yeah. You have to pay 3 years in advance. Whoa. Can we make it to Asia low? I think we can. I think there's a possibility. We're very close to 85. We are very close to 85, so I would say we can. We can. Well, option 1 account, Big G. Option 1 is intraday trailing. Option 2 is end of day trailing. It depending on your trading style, Big G. What kind of trader you are, how big of a contract size you take on your trades, entry model, risk management, risk to reward ratios, all that stuff comes together when you want to choose between option 1, option 2, or in between any of these prop firms. So option 2 has end of day trailing, which is a little bit better, but option 2 has a daily loss limit, which is $1,100 on a 50K account. It's a soft reach. It's not like with take profit, like it's a hard breach, but with Bulenox it's a soft breach, just like with TopStep. So if you breach your $1,100, you can continue to trade the next day. It's up to you to decide. The option 2 accounts are coming with the code TOMSABO2. It has a 75% off right now, so it's cheaper than TopStep. I think it's $43 or $44 right now with Bulenox. the option 2 accounts, which is basically the copycat of TopStep with a bigger threshold. So it's a good thing. By the way, guys, if you guys believe that the Asia low is coming, this is a good area to enter a short. Only big company can pay a little tax with Army of Advocate. Yeah, here in Dubai. Hey, Reza, welcome. Didn't see you there. From trading only 7 to 9% under company names. So yeah, I already have somebody here in Hungary who is working with company formations, and he told me that I should form a company in Dubai, but I don't have that income yet, so that it's worth for me to form a company in Dubai. But he said if I make at least a few $1,000s per month or higher per month, then it might be worth to think on it to form a Dubai company, because it's legal. I can do it. Yeah, Reza will be the sponsor. Option 2 got less. Yeah, it has 75% discount right now with the TOMSABO 2 code. It's in the chat too somewhere. But if you use TOMSABO 2 for the option 2 accounts, you're gonna get 75%. The 90% is only for option 1 accounts. This is a 50-50 deal. They're a partner. They should make. Shame too. Yeah. 43.75. There you go, Big G. Thank you. So option 2 accounts 43.75 right now with the discount code TOMSABO 2. It's in the description as well, or in the chat. Streamlabs is spamming it every now and then. But you can find it in the description as well. What company do you have a professional? Yes, I have to take a professional agreement. That's the problem. I have to pay like $100 and something per month for the data. That's the issue. And that's why also TopStep told me that I have to do a brand new registration, because they cannot put me to a company registration because I was a private. Anyway, yes, I have to pay extra. Now the good thing is those payments can be deducted as expense fees, so they are deductible from my tax. So happy to be in Asia. No tax for profit. Only problem is I'm not profitable. You will be profitable, Viox. Thank you, Komodo. I'm trying. I'm just saying what I experience. Doesn't the professional fee depend on type of company information you have? Maybe. I don't know. For now, I received email from TopStep that if I register as a company, I need to pay professional data fee. Yeah, I'm not a super trader, Viox, but you know, slow steps. But this morning's trade was good. I still believe that the Asia lows are in play. Also, I think gold might want to take out the Asia lows. Look at this. Interesting. But yeah, I believe that the Asia lows are still in play. I would not go long right now, that's for sure. A little bit gapped out. 5-minute long wick. It's been a deal of life of the combine. It's lifetime. Big G, it's lifetime discount. It's a lifetime discount fee. Until every single month until you don't pass the account. For example, I've blown a few accounts with Bulenox. I purchased them on the 90% sale, most of them, and also the ones I still have with Apex. And I just keep the subscription because that way I will know that next month I will still have the same discount. And of course I'm gonna get reset. Yes, so Big G, only go, as Tamimi says, don't go higher than 50k, maybe 100k, but the 100k also has a huge activation fee. So I think Apex has activation fee. Let me show you guys. Here it is. So the 100k account has $248 activation fee with Bulenox. I think with Apex you have to pay 230 or something. So if you really want to go big, then this would be your highest amount, highest account, 100k. But I strongly advise you to stay with the 50k or the 25k. The activation fee for 150k and higher is insane. So $900 for the activation fee for the 250k account is absolutely mental. I think they should do something about this. Maybe the 100k is the maximum, maybe, comparing to Apex, but the optimal is the 50k. Obviously, that's true. Yes, Jose, that was only until last week, I think. The $85 lifetime sale is passed already, so it's not active anymore, I think. But correct me. It has expired, yes, on the 15th, yeah. It's still going. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. I don't know, I haven't checked on it yet. Viox just passed one account yesterday. Congratulations. What are the Bulenox? Yeah, 5 days of trading. So if you passed an account, just push the button with a micro for 4 more days. I know it's a little bit silly rule, but that's how you have to go with, and that's it. Just push the button for 4 more days and request an activation after the days passed. That's the only thing. Until September 15. Oh, thank you. I didn't know that. Until September 15. All right, they extended it. All right. What is new TOMSABO VIP mean? It means that I don't even know the details, but they're working together with the best traders. I don't really know what TOMSABO VIP means. To be honest, I'm sorry, but I haven't really dig myself into that. Still going all right. What is that solid line on your chart, Tom? VWAP? Yeah, this is the VWAP here. This is the VWAP. This is it. So we are below the VWAP. After activation, the master account agreement says that you have to push the button once every week, just like with MyFundedFutures. VWAP. Careful on the short side, yeah. Point of control in play, yeah. I have to be careful here. Obviously, we're going sideways as well. And yes, point of control. I think it can go just sideways for a little bit and maybe even squeeze the shorts above the 840s. Super easy. The wee whoop. The wee whoop. I don't know why it's hard for me to pronounce it correctly, because I don't know why. Hungarian language, I know it sounds silly for you guys, but for a Hungarian to speak English, it's I mean, I'm not saying it's difficult, but the pronunciation is absolutely different. So I didn't check it, Holy Grail, because we pronounce W as we. A wee wop. But then I don't know how should I say it. Yeah, I didn't check on it yet, Holy Grail, but I will. I will definitely. I did wrote it down here. It's here. I wrote it down to my notepad. Well, my English has a lot of things I have to adjust on. So VWAP, VWAP, VWAP. Somebody told me I should say the V when I say volume. VWAP. When I say volume, VWAP. Anyway, I have to practice. I guess it's gonna stay on me forever. Maybe I'm gonna just, you know, I already have some ideas written down for merchandise. You know, I'm gonna have a T-shirt, and it's gonna say, this is what it's gonna say. Wee wop. We're gonna make a T-shirt. It's gonna say wee wop. Yeah. So this is what it's gonna be. Yeah, I'm gonna ask Methodical Man to speak in Hungarian. I'm definitely having some ideas, and I'm not even joking, guys. I have like 5 or 6 T-shirt ideas. One of them is the WeWop, and we have other one like the TOMSABO box, the personal guarantee, and all that stuff. I have some of them written down here. Some crazy, stupid ideas, but yeah. Yeah, perfect. Makes you the Tom we know you. All right. Good morning, Mihails. Trying too long? Let's go. Careful, careful. We're at the WeWop. WeWop. Wee. I can't say it. 810. Holding. All right. Let's see. Are we going to have a rejection here to the downside, or is it going to just break through? If it goes higher, no stopping until 840. It will be famous like Steve Jobs. Oh yeah, we shirt, we cup. Yeah. Okay, so extended until September 15. All right. All right, that's good to know. Thank you, Tommy Me. Jose says, found an amazing prop firm which stocks crypto. Oh, very expensive. So many prop firms now, guys. So many prop firms. I got a few emails from prop firms to be exclusively their affiliate. I don't even know their names. I can't even remember. Brand new prop firms. I received like at least 8 or 10 emails from brand new prop firms. I don't even know them. Gabriel, I've been dropping your name when I go out to the class. Alright, Gabriel. Welcome, by the way. I'm just reading the chat. I'm scrolling the chat up there because I missed some chat here. Not touching it, point of control, and weave up on top of each other. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Looking for some levels. It could be just a liquidity sweep, you know. I don't know. They paid me $177 from one referral. Which prop firm? 177. Well, depending on what kind of accounts did that one referral purchased and how many, you know. Yeah, so it depends on you know, before I was affiliated with these prop firms the last year, I got, no, it was actually, I mean, I wasn't really promoting them this much. I was still working with the insurance company, and but I got the code for MyFundedFutures, and I give it to one of my, well, let's just say friends, but I know the guy in person in Hungary, and he purchased a few accounts with MyFundedFutures, and I got like almost $300 after his purchases. I wasn't really sure what he's doing or not, but I just saw that he purchased. I mean, I didn't see anything, but I knew that he was the only one I gave the code to. And I also talked with him, and he told me he purchased multiple accounts with MyFundedFutures. He was using my code, and I saw, I'm like, okay, then this is the reason why I made this, because he purchased a lot of big accounts, always the biggest accounts, and a lot. It had to be you. Well, I don't know. I don't see the names. I don't see the names or anything. I don't know who's purchasing or not, but it was you, Reza. All right. All right. Anyway, I mean, well, thank you guys. If you are, I mean, well, I don't know what to say. Obviously, I don't want you guys to waste so much money on evaluation accounts, but hey, once you do, think of your favorite streamer. Right? All right. No, really. But I don't see who's purchasing these accounts. I just see numbers changing. 10 times or more. 150K. Oh, right. Reza, wow. Let's go. Well, you know, the only thing that matters, Reza, is that, you know, you get your tuition back after a while and get to profit. But Reza, hey, thank you so much. That is like, wow. Thank you, man, for the 150Ks. Much appreciated, Reza. I really, really, really appreciate it. And anybody, not just, I mean, everybody and anybody who was using. Oh, thank you, Jose. No, I honestly, I repeat myself quite a lot of times, and to be transparent, I always say this: I'm not making yet enough money from trading payouts. I had 2 payouts last time, but it's not enough to make a living, of course. And I always say this: without the affiliate commissions, I could not do this. I could not be here, and I had a job with an insurance company until this year, April. I was, you know, I was a salesman for an insurance company, and I made some income from that, and thanks to the stream, I put these affiliate codes and links, and thanks to you guys who started to use it, I started to make more money from the affiliate codes and links. So I decided in this year in April that I'm gonna leave the insurance company. I was a contractor, so it wasn't a full-time like 8-hour job, 9 to 5 job. I was a contractor for them, and they're always welcome me back if I need to go back. But I was doing some calculations, and I was starting to see the numbers from the affiliate commissions that I might don't have to drive in my free time all the way around the country to make these sales with the insurance company. So again, guys, without you and the support, I could not be here full time at YouTube. So thank you so much. Hopefully this will change, the balance will change, and I want to make way more from trading itself. Then obviously the goal is not to live from affiliate commissions. Prop firms can go down any moment, any day, any week, and it would be a very huge cut for me if one day all the prop firms just go away. I need to make the living from trading. That's the goal. Now that's the journey, that's the purpose of this channel also. 13 accounts, hey, holy grail, thank you. Thank you, I wasn't reading the chat. Really? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Naomi. By the way, guys, with fast track trading, the thing works like that. I wasn't really sure. They told me that as an affiliate, if I want to make some commission, I got to make sure that, I mean, if you guys would like to give some credit to the stream, to click on my link in the description or in the chat before you purchase from fast track trading. If you lock in that purchase, that is going to give some credit to the channel. Thank you. That's how it works. But they told me I might gonna have a unique code after a while, so I'm waiting for that. So that's it. Through using methodical. Yeah, the thing is, guys, you know, I'm not saying you definitely have to use my code or anything. You can use anybody's code. Just don't leave it at the prop firm. You know, if you have any one of your favorite trader, streamer, or friend or family, whoever, just don't leave that commission, even if it's just a few dollars. You know, don't leave it at the prop firm. Just, you know, use somebody's code and don't leave it there. And don't go with the standard codes. There are standard codes for Take Profit Trader and Apex, and all these prop firms have the standard code. Don't use it. At least find a streamer or trader, whoever, and give credit to the person. And I'm not just talking about myself. Anybody who you like. I always want to have some accounts reserved in case. There you go. There you go. To have backup. That day was hard and tried to pass it and keep it until I passed. There you go, Reza. And that's why I'm saying the tuition is gonna come back. I'm sure. Back to Asia high? Could be. Could be. I'm not sure. I mean, we didn't really have an Asia high here. I mean, pre-London kill zone, we have a high at 855. That could be a target. Somehow, I still feel like I'm a little bit dedicated to the downside. So, I don't know. It's hard to say. Hard to say. Still dedicated to the Asia lows. Right now we're at the middle and there's no clean price action. That's why I'm just waiting. I'm not taking a trade. Gold is also just hovering inside this area. Doesn't really know what to do. 5 minute is just ranging. No clear levels on gold. I would like to pick up gold too, but anyway. Now my favorite. Thank you. How you deal with market when start playing with your emotion. Yeah, well, I do get emotional, guys. I don't tell this to anyone, but I am an emotional guy. I'm not super proud of it, but I'm not saying I'm crying or anything, but I do get emotional sometimes, and not just in a bad way, but in a good way too. And And that's why sometimes for me, sometimes it's hard to deal with emotions on the stream, you know, especially after 3 or 4 losing trades in a row. Guys, I know you might see me like sitting here and just watching after 3 or 4 losses, but trust me, inside it's just I'm having, my mind is blowing up, you know, when I'm sitting here like 4 losses. Can I trade Bulenox directly on TradingView? Unfortunately not, Big G. They only have rhythmic connection, so not yet. So this is a sign of honesty. Alright, I'm gonna stay as I am. So unfortunately no, Big G, only rhythmic connection, which includes of course a few platforms like QuantTower, NinjaTrader, and others. I mean, I didn't even realize, but there are at least quite a few platforms, like 4 or 5 platforms are available to connect to rhythmic data feed. So, but no TradingView, unfortunately, or TradeAway, yeah, in this matter. So, anyway, still waiting. I don't have any tea left. No more tea. I have to get some more tea. If you are unable to trade without the slightest bit of emotional discomfort, especially fear, then you have not learned how to accept the risk. That's true. That is true. That is true, and that's why I'm working on this. One big takeaways, guys, and since last year September I started to trade with futures. 2023 September, so it's about 10 months, around 10 months now, actually 11 months, almost 12 months. Anyway, I'm good in math. So almost a year now I started to trade with futures. And one takeaway, if you guys are curious, is that when I toned it down to micros from minis, it was much less stressful, way less stress. And my best results came when I changed from minis to micros. Now you don't have to go with 1 micro. You can go with 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean below 10, obviously. You can take partials. You can manage your risk better. You're not gonna blow your account that fast, and a lot of benefits. Of course, it's gonna be a much slower progress, but my results came to be better, or got better when I toned down to micros. That's one of my key takeaways from the last year since I'm trading futures. So you're stressing on micros. This Tuesday, new day opening gap seems to act like, yeah, it definitely, we have a gap up there still at 946. Sorry, I have to blow my nose. All right. That's the hardest part. Yeah. Well, you know, if you're stressing on micros, then you might have to look into your entry model. Trader Monk, good morning, Yoragat. Sometimes people asking me how and when you become profitable. My answer is now, when I got tired of losing and do the same stupid things every time, finally gave up and started to do right things. Yeah. You need to reduce risk to a point you feel no discomfort. Exactly, Jose. Man. I have to change my shirt. I'm not gonna do on the camera, of course. My back is so wet and sweaty. I have to change my shirt. All right. I'm gonna go out for a tea. I'll be right back. All right, now I really have to change my shirt. All right, let's change it. To a new shirt. All right. Much better. Much better. All right. Yes, the currently the 1 day pass is still going on with Apex. Still doing it. Still 1 day pass. All right. And still waiting for this to decide what to do. No structure shift, but I feel like, well, anything can happen. All right, still waiting. Yeah, slow grind, guys. Absolutely slow grind. Bob, you're right. This is slow grind. Looks like gold made a move here. Looking for these Asia lows. I'm not taking it. I mean, it can go. Gold can obviously take out the Asia low. I'm not jumping in. Also, one takeaway plus is if you focus on more than one market, you are doubling your risk. Whatever you do, if you're focusing on more than one market, it can be whatever you want: gold, currency, equity, whatever. If you focus on more than one market, you are doubling your risk. So even if you're focusing on two markets, like I'm trying to, but I don't think it's gonna be worthy. Even if you're so two markets is even a lot. I've been talking with some people who are really good traders and they have results, and basically every one of them told me that it's super risky to trade more than one market, because obviously your focus is gonna be all over the place. You have to watch so many things, and I think there is some truth in it. NQ did 20 points from 810 entry. Let's go. Gold shot short. Only focus NQ. Where my margin doesn't allow me to buy only 2 micros. What the hell? Which prop firm is that? Is that TopStep? Or a starter account maybe? Cash. That's interesting. I don't know. I don't know. Trade away. You should be having more margin. Back to sleep. All right. Thank you for being here. 6 bill bands. Yeah, very slow, guys. It's very slow and unpredictable. There's no clean moves right now. Is your Bulenox accounts update on the website? Mine is okay on Rhythmic, but not on Bulenox. No, the website didn't update because I have a Rhythmic. I mean, sorry, a Bulenox evaluation account that I flip every day, and it didn't count yesterday as a trading day. It's not updated yet, so I don't know what's happening. Hey. So yeah, Komodo. So no update on my end as well. I know I should be having more trading days, but it's not updating. They should be fixing the issue. I'm not worried about that. No kidding. I have a few grand cash in. As soon as I buy 2 micros, my margin goes down to what? You have to reach for support, man. Yeah, there's some technical issue, I think. Yeah, no problem, Komodo. Yeah, that's it's not updating on my end as well on the website. They should be fixing it soon. I think they will notice it. Yeah, Gabor should be raising a support ticket there. I'm stuck in a trade going against me because I can't average down. Oh. Oh, I see. I see. So that's why. Huh. Looks like we're going for the 40s on the 5-minute, and let me see the 50. Yeah, we have an order block. Not order block, sorry, fair value gap up there. It seems like it wants to go for it. 10 points. I feel like the draw on liquidity right now is at 840. 840. If you guys want to go for a 10-point scalp for long, you can do so. I think it's going to take it out. I might even jump in. I'm thinking of it. Let's see. Place the buy limit order at 30. I place the buy limit at 30. Here. If I get tagged in. Still not in a trade. There was a small fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Right, this one. Yeah, there you go. That could be the entry. I might have missed this one, but 840 would be a target here, which is this level. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. If it trades above 35, I'm deleting this limit order. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. All right, I'm in it. I'm gonna go super small position here. Just a scalp trade, most likely. Looking for liquidity at 840. Nothing else. I might even reduce my risk. Yeah, reducing my risk lower. Very tight position. But if we zoom it out, it's so huge. That's what she said, right? Bad entry. Don't go long here. Yeah. I feel like you're gonna say I told you. Yeah. It's a small position. I'm risking like 40 bucks or 50. I don't even know. Oops. Yeah, it's gonna go down. Maybe reprice 23. Yeah, that's it. I'm out. Still in profit, but I thought we're gonna reach for that liquidity pocket there at 840. But the good thing is, it might just go down and continue to the original target at the Asia low. How about that? How about that? All right. You know what? I could be a little bit aggressive here. All right. I'll be aggressive. Enter the short. Full transparency, right? Aggressive short, trying to target again some lows down there. I'm not doing this trade on funded account because obviously it's too risky. But it was a nice displacement to the downside. I liked it. Yeah, I know. There's going to be liquidity in less than 10 minutes. Could be. Yeah, I might going to close it. Tricky London session, right? 791. Oh man, my finger is on the close button here. Let's see. I thought we were gonna see some waterfall to the downside. It's not doing it. Not enough volume. You're chasing it out of sync. Yeah. I feel like, yeah. You're right. All right. As you said it, I'm out of sync right now with this. And it feels like it's going to make a higher high. Above the 35s, 36. The 40s are still in play. Less than 8 minutes. Oh man. Anyway. 2-point stop with minis, be careful. 5k on minis just using TP at 5 point. Wow. I mean, that takes the nerves, but yeah, obviously. It can be a super aggressive strategy. I screwed this up. I messed this up. It was looking so good this morning. And I'm making these stupid decisions. And yeah, we're gonna have liquidity coming in 5 minutes. This is gonna spike higher. Yes, I'm chasing it currently. I don't know why I'm still attached to 40, the 840. Right, closing it. Closing it. Gave my profits back to the market. Just like that. Guy's a good trader. Yeah, that has to be a super aggressive. 37k doing so. Oh yeah, that's true. Gabor made 37k that way. Shorted 829. I'm out. I closed my trade, guys. I closed it. I'm out. I'm not in a trade. I closed it. I gave my profits back, and that's it. We're gonna have liquidity coming in 3 minutes. Stupid decision I made here. I'm gonna wait for the equities open and see what's happening after that. Sometimes trading is super slow, but sometimes it's super fast. I don't know. Yeah, I closed it. I got confused. Took 5 points. Let's go. Now I feel the FOMO. The FOMO is kicking in super hard right now. Super hard. Should have stuck with my analysis. Oh. Oh man. I feel awful right now. Awful. And it's not because of the I mean, I don't care if it's an evaluation account, if it's 1 micro or a 100 mini, or I don't even care if it's a paper trade. The thing I care about is that I had an analysis and I didn't stick to my plan. I did not stick to my plan. That's what bothers me. I don't care what kind of trade it is, paper trading, evaluation, funded, live, whatever. But I did not stick to my plan with this. Even though if it comes back up there, should have just held it. Ugh. I hate this. That gives me frustration. And now, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go full tilt and chase it. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna chase it because I'm gonna be on tilt. Yeah, don't worry. I'm not gonna do that such crazy, but a little bit. Maybe I'm gonna chase it a little bit. A little bit of a chase. That's why I never give idea. No, I always listen to everyone's idea because it's always, I'm not saying I was always listening. I'm always listening, and without looking at the chat, I was still confused because I was so attached to the 840. And now look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. And you know what? It's gonna come down and take out the 800. There you go. F it. Oh my god. I just can't. I can't. Huge FOMO. Huge FOMO, guys. Huge FOMO. Oh. F it. I want to jump in so badly. I want to take it so bad. I want to take it so bad. Yeah, there's always be another play. I'm not taking anything now. Oh, man. Anyway, this 5-minute candle could be a possible continuation. To the shores, the VWAP is holding. Took 9 points. Don't chase it. I want to chase it, guys. I want to chase it and I want to DCA. I want to jump in. It's gonna go down to 800. It's gonna go down to 800. I'm not taking the trade. All right. Here's my hands. Here's my orders and positions. I'm flat. I'm not taking it, but it's gonna go down to 800. Mark my words. It's gonna go to 800. This is it. 800. That's where it's gonna go. I'm so sure. That's where it's gonna go. 800, guys. Boom. All right. There you go. No positions. I'm flat. 800. Here we come. You'll eat your words. Yeah, I will. 800. Let's go, guys. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. There you go. 800. Let's go. Let's go 800. Let's go 800. At least give me the moral victory of 800. At least give me the moral victory of 800. Let's go. Shit can happen, yeah. Oh, man. I don't know what to do after this. I'm gonna get another tea. It better reach 800 while I get back. All right. What about the 800? Are we there yet? Just to ease the pain, I'm gonna eat some chocolate. All right, I'm gonna close this. Chocolate. 800. Come on. At least give me the moral victory of 800, please. Huge FOMO, guys. Huge FOMO. Pure emotions, right? But hey, I stayed disciplined. I mean, not so much. I didn't take the trade. I did not chase it. I did not FOMO in with a big size. Activation fee is depending on the account is $148 for the 50K and $140 for the 25K. Let me see, because I have it here. 143 for the 25K and 148 for the 50K. But thank you if you are 800 did not hit. Maybe on the micro. Did it hit it on the micro? 800.75. It's not finished yet. 800.50 on the mini. So it's not at 800 yet. But yeah. Oh, thank you so much, by the way. Thank you if you're using the code. So, NASDAQ, please give me the moral victory. Uh-oh. It might not gonna give it. Do a giveaway. I feel better. Sorel is saying. Actually, guys, my account is a little bit dried up because I had to pay some expenses last week, quite a lot. And we had the vacation too. That's also drained my account as well. So unfortunately, well, I will have some extra money. Actually, I have a little bit extra, but I'm saving it for the Thursday or Friday giveaway. You know. But I had to pay some very heavy payouts last week. I mean, IRL stuff, and it pretty much drained my account. And what I'm gonna do some giveaways. I'm saving a little bit of money for the giveaway. Actually, we still have time from the kill zone, so anything can happen. You can also just go back up there and take the 840s, so who knows. Look at that. Gold finally took out Asia low, as we expected it. Of course, I didn't take it, of course. I was talking about to go short here, and I didn't take it. But I don't care about that now. Come on, 800. Come on. Give me the 800. Give me 800. For internet monthly. Which speed? I think I have a... Not the fastest one. I don't have the fastest internet. I think I have... Is that a thing like 1000 megabytes? 1000, right? I know that my provider told me that I could be having 2000 or even more. But I have 1000. And I play only for the internet about $16 or $17 per month. But it's only there. I do pay for television, and yeah, it's in the same package. So the television, I have HBO Max, or what it's, I'm not even watching it. and it has a different price. And altogether with the HBO, the television, which I don't watch, I never watch television. My fiance, she's watching some television. I mean, no, she's watching Netflix and HBO. So I don't even watch television channels, TV channel. I'm not interested. I'm not watching the news. I don't know. Since many years, I'm not watching any news channel. So all together with the HBO, internet, and TV, I pay about $35. 35. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, 1G. There you go, 1G. Yeah, it's actually a very good price. It's cheap. It's cheap. I could be having the faster internet. They told me I could be having 2000 or 2G download speed. But you know, obviously it's more than enough. Even if I play video games online, it's more than enough. I like to play PUBG, you know, guys. PUBG, Counter-Strike, although I suck at it, but I play that. And what else do I play? GTA. For that, 1G is more than enough. Yesterday I forgot to play PUBG. Today I will. Yeah, for streaming it's enough. I have a friend who is pretty much a computer geek, and he told me I don't need the 2Gs because it's more than enough for me. Even for video games and streaming, it's more than enough. Don't tell this to anyone, but sometimes I do download some movies from the Pirate Bay. Don't tell it to anyone. Torrents, you know. Anybody did that ever? All right. Here, home internet plus TV plus 2 cell phones. 140? What? 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 But you have a cell phone plus 2 cell phones. Okay. So let me tell you this. I have cell phone with unlimited phone calls and unlimited internet. So inside my country. So unlimited calls, unlimited internet, and unlimited text messages, of course. And the way it looks like it, I have my cell phone. I have 3 cell phone subscriptions, or what do I call it? 1 SIM card is for me, obviously, 1 for my mother, and 1 for my father. So I pay for all of these SIM cards as monthly subscriptions. So they have also unlimited everything, and I pay $100. I pay $100 for 3 SIM cards with unlimited phone calls, internet, and text messages. Yeah. But that's 3 SIM cards in a package. My mother, she talks a lot on the phone, you know. Did you guys see the movie Sylvester Stallone, Stop or My Mother Will Shoot You, or something like that? You know, when he's a police officer, and I don't even know. Or was it in Tango and Cash? I don't even know which. No, maybe it was in Tango and Cash. I don't know which movie was it. Sylvester Stallone. And there's a scene when his mother is calling. Or no. That's Arnold Schwarzenegger. Sorry, The Last Action Hero. The Last Action Hero from Arnold Schwarzenegger. There's a scene in the movie when his mother is calling on the police station, and he just has the tape recorder, like his voice, like Same with my mother. She talks a lot. She calls me. I can't even say a word. It's impossible. So I just put my phone on speaker and like Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Because she's just speaking and she needs the unlimited phone call. And maybe I should do the same, like do a recording. Tom, today you're talking a lot about prop firms closing. Do you have info? No, I don't. Sorry if it came like that, Komodo. I really hope. No, I don't know any prop firm who's closing, and quite the opposite. I hope that these prop firms are going to stay, especially the big ones and the big names. So I hope that they're gonna stay. If you like watch TV and movies, I'll help you with a nice tip. Enough. Oh, all right. I like movies, and but I'm not watching television as it is. I'm watching sometimes Netflix or HBO or I don't even know. Not really watching TV at all, to be honest. We have nice television. My girlfriend, she's watching the Netflix, but I'm not really. Karma prop trades closed. Oh, I didn't know that. Is it fake FOMC today? No, today we're gonna have FOMC. Whoa, look at that. I think I might made the right decision to close my trade after all. Oh, look at this. We're inside of this range, and now it just wants to go up. What's happening here? Back to the VWAP. And another one also. Okay, so that's why, I don't know. I mean, I have no information about any prop firm was closing. I never even heard about this Karma prop trades. Never heard about them before. We're going back to the 40s? What's happening? Is somebody talking? No news. Interesting. Look at this. Look at this move. Feel like we're going to the 40s now. Whoa. Funded Engineer. I heard about them, but that was a Forex prop firm, right? Funded Engineer. I also know that which one was it? True Forex Funds. That was a Hungarian prop firm. Obviously, they did a rug pull. It has closed. MyForex Funds. Yeah, I had a MyForex Funds account last year before they're shut down. Yeah. So True Forex Funds. Basically, the CEO was not the real CEO. Just saying. So whatever you read or believe, I saw the guy. That's not the real CEO. So the guy on True Forex Funds, he was just he was not the real person. That's all I can say. And they were really buying Lambos. They were buying Lambos, and once they saw that the expenses are getting higher than the income, they just rug pulled the whole thing. They made millions of dollars, and they just rug pulled the whole thing. All right, I'm tempted to jump in here too long. I'm not chasing anything. It just fits my criteria. I'm jumping in. All right. TP is at 40. And I'm going to add maybe one more to this. I'm looking for that liquidity up there at 840. If it trades above 31, I'm going to put it to break even. Jumped in. I'm going to move my stop. Don't worry, guys. This is just a hard stop. I'd like to see this go real fast to the 40s. 15-minute fair value gap up there. Yeah, it's a hard spot here. Yeah, kind of like a little bit bearish as well. Again, if it trades, if it goes above 31, I'm gonna move it to break even and let it be. If it takes me out, it takes me out. If not, I might even gonna close it manually at 15. And if I end up with a losing session, I'll let it be. It's fine. It's what it's meant to be. Is your government not after the true Forex guys? No, because nobody's gonna do anything about them. I have actually a video on my cell phone. It's on my cell phone that the guys from True Forex funds are driving their Lambos. They're not going to do anything because when you signed up to True Forex funds, it's in the fine print. They can cease and desist operations anytime they want. Basically, you cannot do anything. Every prop firm has the fine print. Just look into it, guys. When you sign up for an evaluation account or funded account, they have the right to close operations anytime they see it. So, just saying, there's nothing to do about that. Do you know Phidias prop firm? Might heard of them, but I don't know. I saw a streamer trading with them, like Apex, allowing 20 accounts. I think I heard the name, but not really familiar with them. Yeah, we're still below the midnight level. Ah, man. Difficult, but anyway. I still like the 40. What is gold doing? Gold is down there. Is my Forex funds or MyFundedFutures under the same parent company? No, they are not. I think it was maybe by accident or something. They're not the same. They're not the same. Ukraine carries out one of the largest ever drone attacks on Moscow. Wow. Oh wow. Olisha, good morning. I didn't read that. I have to check on Bloomberg. Okay. This trade doesn't look good. Might have to close it. Oh man. Not good. Not a good. I'm gonna change to a different account. Trade on a different one. Is it even going to go down or what? What's it doing? I don't even know. Feels like it might want to take out that 800 now. And we are paying for those drones. Yeah, America is paying for the drones. Yeah, that was a nice trap. I start to see that all the nice trade will be back in our session. Yeah, this current session right now is not really the one I like. We hit the 5-minute roadblock. Might go back. Yeah, might, but I feel like there's some levels down there that could be taken as well. Now you guys didn't see it, but I took a short. I scalped for a few points, so I made it back to break even. I was trading hindsight without letting you guys know. Yeah, I'll think I can do it. I think I can do an FOMC stream. Why not? It's like a power hour or something like that. Why not? You took that too? Yeah, so if I see a sharp drop like this to a significant level, sometimes I jump into a quick scalp. That's what I did. Yeah. So Asia lows are still in play at 85. I don't know, maybe I can jump into a short. All right, jumped into a short and targeting 80. What's the price here? 86 maybe, 86.50. Few micros. Let's see if it wants to go for the Asia low or not. If not, I deserve it. This is a scalp trade, most likely. Depends on how long is it going to retrace higher. Looking for those lows, and yeah. Or at least if it would go below the 90, that would be great. Do they allow news trading? Yes. Bulenox allows news trading on funded account. They do. I'm out of tea again. I'm actually off the rails here. I should not be trading like this, to be honest. I don't like scalping. I'm not a good scalper. I usually chase the trades. I don't have good entries. Good morning, Pablo. Short from 828. Whoa, nice. And now stop is breaking. Let's go. Let's go, Pablo. That's a nice entry there. That's a very nice entry. That's a very good entry. Yeah, the only logical step would be for the London kill zone is to take out Asia low right now. Might not gonna do that. All right, all right. FOMC will definitely be interesting. That's for sure. Hey, Yanix, what's happening? Long at 784. Yeah, that could be also good for a turtle soup. Does Apex consistency rule calculated per day profit or per trade? Per day, Larry, per day. And everywhere. The consistency rule is calculated per day on every prop firm. Shorted at the bottom. Perfect place to go short. Sell the low, buy the high, you know. Okay. I think trading news or FOMC is casino. Yeah, it's casino. But I think it's not gonna be there's gonna be no press conference right now. Yeah, it's gonna be just the minutes. So guys, you know what this is gonna be? This is just going to be a detailed meeting, blah 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 blah. It's gonna be a record of the meeting. So this is going to be a report, basically. This is just going to be a report. So guys, this is not gonna be a huge impact. I mean, not as much as Powell when Powell is speaking. So it's gonna shake the market like, for example, 20 points, 30 points up and down, and that's it. I mean, it's just gonna be a recording, a report. It has no big impact, yes. It has no big impact. It's gonna shake a little bit, but you know what? At these market conditions, I would say I wouldn't be surprised if it would shake NQ with only like 10 or 20 points. That's it. That's gonna be the whole thing. I totally forgot that this is not Powell. This is just the report. There's gonna be no speech, no anything. Only the report is gonna be released. And the market already knows what's gonna be in the report. Everybody priced it in, so no big surprise in the report. Yeah, Komodo. So I don't think it's worth it. This is not Powell. I totally forgot. Jackson Holes tomorrow. All right, let's go, Kevin. Good to see you. Did I say hi to you? Anyway, welcome. So are we gonna take out Asia low or what? Let's go take out Asia low. Yeah. Let's go and take it out. I know the market wants it. I know the market wants it. If it trades below 90, I'm gonna put it to break even, I think. Oh yeah, I know the market wants it. It's a good thing that I got a little bit ill. I now have the sexy voice, you know. Oh yeah, the market wants to go down. No, I take that back. Actually, I do. Oh, it's going up there again. No way, man. All right. This London session started out so nice, and I messed up everything. I was in nice profit, and I gave it back, and now I'm gonna finish in a drawdown. Say VWAP in that voice. Let's hear it. The VWAP. Let's go for the VWAP. We're below the VWAP, man. Let's go. Come on, VWAP. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah, VWAP. Yeah. Let's go for the VWAP. I can say Asia low. Let's go for the Asia lows. Come on. I want to see the Asia low. We're gonna do a radio show. I'm promising. Makes you laugh. You know, if that's the only thing, at least I hope I can entertain some of you guys. Oh man, this is gonna take me out. F it, I don't care anymore. Buy every dip for a scalp. Nice. Yeah, well, it's gonna take me out, and I'm just not forcing it more because obviously I made some mistakes here. Started out good, and this is just not the way. That looks okay now. Yeah, there she goes. I'm gonna reprice the whole thing. I would be surprised if this would not take my stop. I'm not gonna move it. I don't want to lose more than I have to. So I'm gonna lose about 120 bucks by the end, which is fine. But needs to win 810. Yeah, it will go up. I think it will reprice it. Elbrook's price action stuff? No, I heard about it, but I didn't watch it yet. I know other people were talking about it too. He's the godfather of price action. All right. All right. Oh, we're stuck here. Yeah, this is an awful price action. Absolutely, it is. It is. Yeah, try US Open price. Yeah, that definitely there's more thing to do at the US Open. No, that's not that awful. I mean, the first few minutes, I mean, depending on where we look at it, but yeah. The first few minutes is definitely a carnage. But, you know, after that, most likely from 9:45 to 11 a.m., that should be very good. Oh, man. This just doesn't want to go. Yep, there she goes. All right. I messed it up today. It is what it is. I messed it up. Was in profit, gave back the profits, and now that's what I get. Anyway, focusing on the New York session, this was not my, not nearly my. I mean, we had such a good trade. I should just have been sitting on my hands, but shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Anyway, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys, because there's just nothing else to do with this, and I'll be back for the New York Open. And Asia low could be still taken, but who knows? You know, so close. Yeah, with the nerves, everything is choppy right now. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was, I mean, still it was a fun session. We had some good talks, interesting setups, and thank you everybody for watching. If you guys would like to support the stream, please use my code TOMSABO. Works at Bulenox, Take Profit Trader, Apex, and MyFundedFutures too. And Fast Track Trading, if you would like to purchase an instant funded account, just click on my link. The code is FTT_wedding. You can find it in the description for the 49% discount. Thank you, everybody. Have a good morning, evening, and we're going to be focusing on the US Open. All right. So everybody, take care. See you guys later. Thanks so much for joining. All right. See you guys. Cheers.